Time to pick up the anchor and go to Long Island. Not New York. The past few months we have sailed all around the Bahamas, from West End to the Abacos, Eleuthera, and Exumas. We have had the highest of highs and the lowest of lows, from learning how to fish on a sailboat, exploring the underwater world of the Bahamas, to squalls with 50 knots of wind and risks we knew we were taking when we decided to sail around the world. We chose this lifestyle not only to explore the world using the wind in our sails, but learning to be comfortable being uncomfortable. There is something so beautiful in the unknown, and we are out here searching for knowledge on new cultures, remote areas, and looking to meet the most amazing, like-minded, adventurous people along the way. Today we're nearing the end of our 2 months in the Exumas, slowly moving south to escape hurricane season. Join us as we get ready to explore the most remote islands in the Bahamas. It's our favorite place to scratch your back after a bath. It's the boom bang. Go in your bed. This run we are getting groceries. We're going to customs first.
It's illegal. You're gonna tell the followers about your illegal status?
What is it, my cruising? Tourist visa expires yesterday. They were closed yesterday for a holiday, so we weren't able to go in. And we had the tropical storm Debbie passing by before that, so it's been a week that we haven't been able to go. I think when we go south, there aren't going to be a ton of options to get new provisions, so we're kind of going to be ready to sail through the southern islands and have enough to make it to the Dominican Republic, which is where we'll be. We're going to be going to Lupron, we think, for the rest of hurricane season, so for 2-3 months. This is the dinghy dock we've been coming to every day. They have free water, trash is right up that hill. Everything's really convenient. Diesel's right there, gas is right there, so everything's in this, what would you call this area?
Technically it's called Lake Victoria.
Lake Victoria in Georgetown. Morning. So that's the garbage truck. Slip your money in there. And this is Georgetown. This is where we get groceries. It's a pretty big market. Has pretty much everything we'll need. We're gonna get pizza there. So everything in the town is really close by in walking distance. Other than the airport. Oh God, I hope they're not closed. Okay, so we just got back. We went to the grocery store, got provisions for the next few weeks until we're settled in the Dominican Republic. We still have to go back and grab beer, wine, rum, ice. Our dinghy is loaded up with tons of provisions. $500 worth to be exact. It is not cheap to get groceries in the Bahamas. And then in the morning we're gonna go fill on diesel, just fill our jerry cans with diesel and head to Long Island. The wasp. Isla, leave it. Leave it, leave it, leave it, leave it, Isla. Leave it. Something good in there. What do you find? Anything good in there? Time to pick up the anchor and go to Long Island. Not New York. You ready? Hi. longer of a day than we planned. It's 2 p.m. Took us 4 hours or 5 to get diesel. We got there when they were doing shift change, which took like at least a half an hour. We went to try to go fill up propane, and we had to go up a big hill to go down a big hill to get there. And then they didn't take cards, and we didn't have a small enough bill, so we had to get change from a restaurant, go up and down the hill back, fill it up. It's hot. It's almost mid-August. So we're excited to be on the road.
Yeah, we should get to sail today.
Yeah, off to a good start. Engines off. Off to Long Island. Going to Calabash today for a few nights. Then maybe Clarence Town, we're not really sure yet. Come on girl, let's go see your dad. Turning off the freezer because we don't run it all the time. Entering the inlet in Calabash Bay. It's almost sunset, so can't see the reef very well that we're going to be going past. So I am going to look for it and make sure we don't hit it, hopefully. I'm always so nervous doing these jobs. You can see the watercolor change there. We always get to anchorages pretty late, so then we wake up and get to finally see the pretty blue water. would be something if our first few YouTube videos would be running from a hurricane.
Yeah.
We don't want to do that though.